Okay, I moved it 4 times before I found a bit of ground here that was level enough to build this on. And over here seems to be good enough anyways. So now I'm gonna stick a couple of tacks here and there and then X measure it out, make sure that we're square. Gonna try to get it close with a square, but that's only gonna get us so far. And then, yeah, try to keep it away from our freshly painted pickup. Sure. Wanted it 50 inches wide, 76 and a half. Again, 76 and 3/8 there. And 76 and a half there, so that's not good. We're within a 1/16. Just cut one of these tacks and move it out a little bit. That's about where we're at. Come on now. Are you new? As you're welding, the heat can pull it one way or another. So just because you set it right and hit that weld, I've seen it, you know, if you tack something on the bottom, it could move a 1/4 inch at the top. So you want to keep double checking it, you know, and I'm using those 4 tacks on the inside of it, and then that way I could still move it a little bit, and then I'll do the outside tacks to solidify it. And then right now I don't want, if I welded all the tops, they could open up at the bottom. They could twist the tubes and open them up at the bottom. So I'm gonna flip it over and then we'll start by welding the back together. This is the bottom. This is the side with all the seams anyways. I put all the seams on the bottom here. Now we can weld it up. Okay, I need to do kind of I want to do a cross corner brace, and that's where it's going to bolt into the frame, which kind of gives our adjustment from bedside to the frame that's of the truck there. So let's see, the back here, we are 4 5/8, and then 5 1/4 in. So that kind of gives us our coordinates of where that needs to land, so we can get that angle piece in there right to where we're hitting in that area. We can put a nice size hole there, because not only do you want to put your bed mount there, you want to give it some adjustment so you can center up the bed and allow for anything that could, you know, make this thing need to shift one way or the other, front to back. You know, maybe it ran too close to the cab and you want to scooch it back a 1/4 inch or something. This will give it that adjustment. Make sure we're not doing the wrong end of the bed here. 5 1/4, 4 5/8. Up at the top here, we got 4 1/2. We are 71 1/8. All right, so got my square here to do my 45, and then need to kind of, it's not exact, but kind of make sure that we're going to end up in the right spot here. Alright, so that's the brace work for underneath the bed floor. Need to drill our holes, and then I haven't decided if I'm going to weld nuts in here to bolt the bed sides on, or if I'm going to drill holes through and nut and bolt it through the sides there. But it's a start, and it went according to plan. How about that? How about that? Remember to like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody that's liked and subscribed. And if you haven't yet, I would appreciate it if you did, because I want to keep doing this. I want to do it more. More for sending information out and just helping people learn that you got to do it twice sometimes and all that jazz. So like and subscribe. Thank you.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and every